Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I want to show you something, little product review that Bunker Industries sent me. It's called the 48-inch farm jack. And let's get this thing open and see what it comes with. I've already cut the tape open. As you can see, cardboard box, got ripped a little bit in shipping, but comes with some good styrofoam to keep it all steady and sturdy inside. Comes with an 11-inch around both sides plastic base, and it's just an ABS plastic. And then we've got the jack itself that is definitely heavy duty steel, jack handle, base plate for it. I believe it is rated at 3.5 tons, 7,000 pounds. And let's see what we can do with this thing. Okay, we're going to try the farm jack on the back of my truck. We're going to use the receiver. Hopefully you have a receiver or some type of tow hook, recovery hooks come out the back of your vehicle. You just want to find something solid to lift on. So this, you just lift it up where you want. I'm going to go underneath my receiver because it has a little notch under it, so to help it grip on the ribs here on the jack stand. So we'll put it up to where we want it. Lift up the locking lever on it, and this stays on pretty good. It's like got pressure angles on it. You just pull it, pops it off of it, just holds the handle in place, and then you can jack it now where you want it. Right there looks good. I'm about halfway on the center of the whole jack arm itself, sticking out. I'm putting my towel on this because you can see it's close to the vehicle. Just don't want to scratch it just in case it falls or leans over on it, or help stop some scratches. And you can see I got the base stand, and again it's 48 inches tall, and it can lift about 3.5 tons, 7,000 pounds. It has an 11-inch base square around it, just to give you a little more stability when you're using setting it on the ground. Maybe you're in something softer surface, mud, snow, sand. So let's jack this thing up and pretty easy. Of course, you want to be very careful. I've got some sandstones, concrete in the front of my front wheels to stop the truck from lifting forward, going forward, because once I jack it, your locking brake on your vehicle is only on your rear wheels, and if you're jacking the back of your car up, the front wheels the brakes aren't on unless you have somebody sitting in it with their foot on the brake pedal. Otherwise, it'll roll forward. Most likely when you go to jacking, the jack will fall off, so don't want that to happen. So I've chalked the front wheels, and now we'll continue jacking this up. And you want nice, steady, smooth pressure. I mean, you don't want to be rough with this because you are working in a dangerous environment. And let me show you. I've got the wheel off the ground already, and the suspension, everything is lifted. And now we'll go about working it and setting it back down. Hopefully you guys can still see me there. And so we're up. It was no problem. Again, it's 7,000 pounds. This truck probably weighs about 56,000, 5,500 pounds. So, and we're only doing a portion of it, the back half of it, so only half, if that. So put a little pressure down on it to relieve the lever. This is pretty firm, that's why it's rubber. So you can just kind of give it a little tap. And be careful because it'll want to come up and hit you. That's why they say these are dangerous, and they are dangerous. So then you hear a click. It's sitting on it. Lower it back down. And it will only go one click at a time. I go all the way down, but it's not giving you, like, say, 2 extra drops instead of 1. So once you hear the click, just come back up. And that's it. And when you want it to stop sliding, once you got it loose, just lift the lever back up and it'll stay where you want. Lock it in place and put it away. Pressure points on the front of my vehicle that I could put this 5-inch extension out here on some of my devices, but because my rock rails are slanted at a 45, it was too hard to get on it. But Bunker Industries or some other companies I'm sure sell, they're like a hook that go onto your rim. It's a loop and it goes over the arm here and would go into your rim, and you can connect it back on the back side of it and hook on and lift your tire up directly. So you can lift the whole vehicle up if you needed to get something under the tire. If you're stuck in a ditch, maybe lift it up, put a traction board, some rocks, things like that to give you some more grip so you don't sink in so far again when you lower it. But again, this is by Bunker's Industry. It's 48 inches tall, weighs about 33 pounds, and can lift about 7,000 pounds, 3.5 tons. It's made out of a heavy duty steel, and I've got no complaints on this product. You know, again, when you're using it, just be careful. But if you're stuck in a jam, you can use it for lifting your vehicle, put something on the wheels, changing a flat. Maybe you're stuck in some dirt or sand, you can turn this thing sideways. And if you have your tow straps with you, you can put it to your vehicle's tow hitch and to here or to a tree and use it in between like a come along so it can get you off some rocks. Yeah, it's going to be slow, but all you generally need is a few inches sometimes to get you out of a bind. So again, Bunker Industries, they have it on Amazon for about $127, give or take. It can be to you in a couple days. I got mine in about 4 days. It was to me in Colorado. So yeah, definitely like this thing. And hopefully it's something you guys can use. I'll put some links in the description of the video down below, and we'll catch you on the next product review.